Hola and welcome to Renacer Maglin. We're the Maglin family, starting fresh in Andalusia, Spain, restoring an off-grid farm into a self-sufficient haven. Join us.
So, not content with everything we've done, Jem wants to cut down another bush. Of course she does. Now, it is pretty ugly. Round here. Round the other side. Yeah. I think you can get right to the base of it. A couple at the top you can maybe take off so you can get into the base. I'll give her a juice. It is blocking the view and it is really ugly. Oh, starting to wobble. Bear with us, dearest gentle viewers. The chain is a-soaring. It was at this point she regretted starting this job.
It's so thick. Right, nearly there.
3 hours later.
Whose idea was it to do this?
Have you tried the Taiwanese way of getting it out?
Say that again.
Have you tried the Taiwanese way of getting it out now?
So,
Hiya! No?
I think it's on the floor. It's still quite. Yeah, come on.
Hush, 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 hush.
Right. Nearly done. It's in such a good position.
Remember, dear viewers, I said she always wants to do more. Bush 1, Gemma and Chainsaw, nil. I've always liked that bush. I've always thought it looked really good there. She's done the battery now. Oh. See how things are looking from this side. Oh yes, look at that, what a cut.
Would you have guessed they had a truck that big?
Who? The bush? I have no idea why she was cutting that either, guys. Any suggestions, please put them in the post.
I'm trying to get out of the way so I can get to the bottom bit down there. Oh my god. It's nearly done now.
Remember, dearest gentle viewer, when I said she always likes to push it and do one extra thing.
It's so ugly. Right. Oh, out of battery. Let's try a new battery, that's probably what it is. Oh yeah, we are really out. That's why it's going in early.
Do I still a cool ring? Kick it. Make it break. Nah, we'll let her do it. I have no idea why she's cutting that bit there, by the way. Absolutely no idea why she's decided she's going to cut that, because the bit that's holding on is the other side of the plant. So, currently she's clearing away one branch for no apparent reason, because the bit that's holding the bush up is the other side of the plant.
You do know I can't actually hear you, so what these are, what are you saying?
So how good a job you've been doing.
Oh, what have I done wrong?
So I've just been like letting our dearest gentle viewers know about how much of a wonderful job you're doing and how I fully support you cutting a branch completely away from where you're actually trying to cut. It makes complete sense.
Get down there.
Why?
Because I need to do that last bit around the corner that's not long enough to reach.
You've cut the whole way through.
I haven't. It's right at the other end, I can't get to it.
Okay.
It's a process. Back away
It's-
and watch.
Okay. Oh, so glad that bit's done. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. It's like watching the Springboks in the ruck. We ready for the big reveal, guys? I think she's going to run Maya over, but it's fine.
It's really heavy.
Look at that. What's a decent sized trunk that? Look at that.
Thank you very much.
Told you, decent sized trunk.
Look, roll it onto the fire.
Do it.
I won't bring you over, darling, don't worry. Eddie, on the other hand. Darling, could you just move your Australian car for me?
Hi. Now, look at the view now, guys. Beautiful.
That's funny. You guys out the way.
See?
Mommy, there's some toys there.
It's okay. Just take a little Sylvanian mouse out. The Pokemon things are fine.
Here she is.
Catch. Oh, good catch, Maya. The world's largest tumbleweed.
Oh my god. Nearly there.
And the fire gets prepared to singe its new victim. Which I doubt Jem's going to be able to get over those trees. Not going to get tangled in there and get stuck. Oh. 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 God. 2 tickets to the gun show. So, talk us through your experience with the bush. So, you've just removed the bush that's been the scourge of your time here in Spain. How do you feel?
I can't tell you until I go and look at the view.
View from here is not great. Go and see. We'll put a little before and after photo up, guys. You can tell us whether it's worth it. And for everyone that's got to this point in the video, that's 16 minutes of your life you're not getting back.
Is that what it took?
And it looks great next to the fire now.
Next to? Shut up. Is it really?
It's really nice next to the fire, actually. It's a nice feature.
You have no idea how heavy this thing is.
What do you think, dearest gentle viewers? Should we give her a hand? I could. Typical man.
Don't you dare. You are not helping now.
Swoop in now the job's been done. Supervised so well. Oh, That got it. So that'll be a bit lighter now, so next time she does the push, it will go straight over. Now it's up. Look at that. There we are. In the curious case of Gem versus the random bush, Gem won. And the view is spectacular. Tune in next video for more capers.